Okay, hello people. I am going to mix this up and solve this for you, okay? Now I'm gonna mix it up while this song's playing, and then the song's gonna change. So yeah, enjoy the background music. Now normally I would have this already mixed up, but no one's here to mix it up for me. Frowns. But yeah. Normally I can solve this in 2 minutes and 15 seconds, but I lost my little touch when I was practicing my 4x4 skills. So I'm sorry if it takes a little while. I'm not the best person, but ready? Hold on. Okay, now we ready. Set, go. Can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk, she did ballet. What more can I say? She'd never tell, because she wanted him as well. All of her friends stuck up their nose, and they had a problem with his baggy clothes. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. Whoops. Okay, I'm good. He had a pretty face, but her head was up his face. Come back down to earth. 5 years from now, she sits at home, feeding the baby, she's all alone. Turns on TV, in case she sees Kid Up or rocking up MTV. And they already know, bought a ticket to see a show. Stands in the crowd, looks up at the man that she turned down. See you later, boy, he wasn't good enough for her. As a superstar, still living on his guitar. Pretty face, see what he's worth. He was a theater boy, she said, see you later, boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, living on his guitar. No pretty face, what he's worth. And done. That's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Stay tuned next time, and hopefully I will have the 4x4 down, and I'll be working on the 5x5 next. Have a nice day!